Happy New Year. Today we're going to be making a vegetarian dish. It is a vegetarian chickpea coconut curry. We want to do some light and healthy things for the new year. So we're going to add some diced onion to our pan. We're going to saute that up. And this recipe, we're going to be using chickpeas for this. You can use a different kind of bean if you would like. So we're going to put the onions in there, and then we've got some seasonings that we're going to add to that. Saute our onions until they're translucent. And we've got some different seasonings here. It's all part of this coconut curry dish. We've got some garlic. We have some ground ginger. We have a little bit of cumin. I like to put this all in the pan and turn the heat down a little bit. We have some curry as well. And I'd like to add a little bit of salt to it. And this, we're going to be making our sauce first, and then I like to add the chickpeas in at the very end. We're just going to cook that down a little bit. You can make this spicy if you'd like. Today we're just going to leave it on the mild side. And we have some fresh lime juice. If you don't have fresh, that's okay. You can just use lime juice from the bottle. And now we're going to put in some canned diced tomatoes. Put some of that in there. And I have some coconut milk. Put that in the pan. I'm just going to let that cook a little bit until the sauce reduces. And then once that is all, once your onions are nice and soft, then we're going to add some of our chickpeas. And I like to strain the liquid off these before I add them to my sauce. You want to just let them simmer for a little bit. We'll add a little more coconut milk to it. And at this point you can taste it and see if it needs any more flavor. If you like it spicy, like I said, you can add some spice to it. I just like to simmer it. And then we're going to serve this on top of some steamed rice. Alright, so now our chickpea curry has been slowly simmering on the stove. It's nice and saucy. The chickpeas are nice and hot. And we have some steamed white rice here. We're going to serve that on top of the rice. See all that really delicious sauce in the bottom of the pan. Oh, it looks amazing. And then I have some, I like to always add some fresh cilantro to it. And we'll put a little bit of lime on there too. You can give it a squeeze on the top and then put the lime on the side for the garnish. So I hope you folks enjoy and Happy New Year.